Good afternoon, Mataji.
Good afternoon, Mataji.
Good afternoon, children.
Good afternoon, Mataji.
Mataji.
Good afternoon. Yes. So what we have learned in North America, children? North America, what we have learned? What we have learned?
Physical settings.
Yes, physical settings of America. Which are the physical divisions? What are the physical divisions is there in North America?
The Western Cordilleras and or the Rocky Mountain, the Great Central Plains, the Appalachian Highland,
Appalachian
the Coastal Plain.
and the coastal plain. That we have learned, yes or not? And another thing is, what is that extent and the latitudinal length and the longitudinal length, yes or not? Yes?
Yes.
Okay. So today we are going to learn about the climatical conditions and the natural vegetations and agriculture minerals. Okay. So what type of the climatical conditions do you have any idea? Without the textbook, can you say what type of the climatical conditions is there? Andre, you might have heard what type of the climatical conditions. For example, north of the America, there is a Arctic Circle, yes or not? So in that Arctic Circle, what you can see? Cold climatical conditions you can see, yes or not? In where there is a Alaska region, for example, this is the North America, yes or not? So in this North America, what you can see here, it is the Arctic Circle. In here Greenland is there, yes or not? So almost in this part you can have you will see the what is that Alaska ranges. So here what you can see, all the climatical condition, it is very cold. And another thing is, in the middle of the Central America, they are having the tropical and the mild types of the climatical conditions, neither too hot neither too cold, like that types of the, this is called a tropical. What is that? Tropical. Why? Because it is having the latitudinal length is too much, yes or not? Illi Arctic ide, illi ಏನಿದೆ trophic of Cancer. So in between, what is that? There is a some in the central part of the America, they are having the tropical types of the climatical condition. And in the southern part of the North America, they are having the hottest condition. Why? Because of the Rocky Mountain and the desert. Illi Colombia atra ella desert irodrinda, what is that? They are getting the hot types of the climatical conditions, children. Understood? And here in the Eastern America, there is a coastal zone. I already said that, yes or not? Where it is in the eastern part of the America, there is a coastal. They are having the humid types of the climatical condition. Means daytime it is very warm condition, and in the night it is very cool because of the ocean. Andre illi nimge ಏನು ಕಾಣುತ್ತೆ? Atlantic Ocean is there in the eastern part of the America. So these Atlantic Ocean, it makes the coastal people warm during the time of day. And night time again, ಈ sea ಅಥವಾ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇದಿರುವಾಗ ನೀರಿರೋ ವಾಟರ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಸಾಯಂಕಾಲ breeze it will bring, yes or not? ಅಂದ್ರೆ cool air it will bring. So night time they are having the cool weather and warm in the daytime, so that it is called humid types of the conditions. Okay, humid type of the climatical condition these Eastern America is getting. And what is that? The north, it is having cold climatical and the tropical, neither too hot neither andre temperate anta karitare adana, neither too hot neither too cold. Okay, then in the south it is very hottest types of the climatical condition. Okay, eastern part it is a humid. So like that climatical conditions we can see that especially in the Alaska region, it is too much cold. Why? Because Arctic Ocean is here. Then one more thing is here the Greenland is there. No, this Greenland, it is full of covered with ice. Okay, snows. Okay, so the cold types of the climatical condition America is having. Okay, apart from the children. Here ಹತ್ತತ್ರ ಹೋದಾಗ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಏನ್ ಅನುಭವ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, where there is a upper part of the mountain, yes you will get a breeze, yes or not, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಕೂಲ್ ವೆದರ್ ಅನ್ನ ನೀವು ನೋಡ್ತೀವಿ, yes or not. So that is the climatical conditions of North America. Okay, because of the longest latitude in central part, they are getting the tropical types of the climatic condition. Okay, what type of the vegetations or the form in America? First of all, here a cold region circle and the Arctic Ocean is there. Because of that, there are no tree. Here we can see lichens, mosses, like that, algae, like that, small types. Okay, why? Because there is completely covered with. Then secondly, taiga. What is that? In this forest we can see. Please switch. Yes. Okay. So here, what else are there in this? First of all, Greenland and circles. One it is called this region. Vegetation and the most that region ಅದರ tundra region, the region vegetations. Taiga, we can see the something children. Okay. You if you are doing like that, chat or don't speak in between. Whenever I'll ask, first listen. Okay. ತೋರಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. Okay. So example, taiga, you can see the because in the Arctic Circle and the green what do you call this? Greenland. This Greenland circle, what is only are almost mean below that oak and the here cypress, oak, maple tree, ash tree, chest tree, like that trees find in this then of the trees. Next one is a temperate forest, where there is a rocky mountain in this Alaska region ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅದು rocky plateau. So these places we can see types of the forest. Apart from that, where Mississippi, Missouri, from the Rocky Mountain to in between, where it is mountains ಕಾಣಿಸುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮಗೆ Rocky Mountain ranges, and up to the Missouri, Mississippi rivers, we can see the or the vast acres of the grassland. Means it is called temperate grassland. Prairies is there. I already said that about the prairies. Why? Because they are here a wheat, so that it is called wheat basket of the world. Near the prairies only agricultural crops is there. They are growing wheat. They are producing the wheat. Next one is temperate mixed forest, children. What is that? Temperate mixed forest, where it will, we can see that in temperate and Canada region is here. Middle, ಈ ಕಡೆ ಕೆನಡಾ ಕ್ಯಾಲಿಫೋರ್ನಿಯಾ ಏನೆಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ, this region trees also is there, ash tree is there, maple is there, then mahogany, ebony, like that trees are there, then teak wood, like that trees we can see in this zone, children, where it is Canadian Shield. After Canadian Shield andre nearby the Canada and what is that, California region. Next one is Mediterranean types of the climatical condition. Why? Because in this southern part there is a Gulf of Mexico, then here a Caribbean Sea, so like that water bodies are there, yes or not? So here we can see the olive tree, oak tree, andre almost ee kade Mexico region alli barattalla. So this region we can see the olive, coke, oak and the citrus and the fruits. Citrus fruits anta kelidiralva, like orange, ಮತ್ತೆ ಇನ್ನೇನ್ ಕರಿತೀರ ನಮ್ ಕಡೆ ಸಕ್ಕರೆ ಕಂಚಿ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಲ್ಲ. So like that fruits is available in this zone, children. Understood? Then what else are there? One is, what are the types of the vegetation, children? Tundra, taiga, deciduous, grassland, Mediterranean and the temperate mixed forest. Mediterranean region is this one, okay, because where there is a eastern coast andre nearby the Atlantic Ocean, okay. So those who are living in this zone, they are having the what is that, Mediterranean types of the climatical conditions. They are having olive, oak, then cork trees are found in this region, children. Understood? Then one more thing is, they have given a more preference for the agriculture. I already said that where it is nearby the Rocky Mountain to Missouri, Mississippi river, in between there is a vast acres of the prairie lands is there, prairie grasslands is there. Nearby the prairie grasslands there is a so many St. Lawrence River, Nelson River, Mississippi, Missouri, then Lake Superior. So these are all the river and the lakes. They are producing irrigational facilities for the crops, so that they have given a more importance to the agriculture. Okay, so agriculture, I already said that only 10% of the land is fertile soil in Central America. ಉಳಿದಿದ್ದ ಕಡೆ ಎಲ್ಲೂ ಇಲ್ಲ. Only 10% of the land it is cultivated land. Andre they are a small part of the land only. They are producing n number of the crops, as well as they are exporting, largest exporter also. Okay, and after China, tobacco and the cotton they are producing. Andre first China ಹೆಸರಲ್ಲಿ ಇರೋದು, secondly America only, it is the highest producer after China. What is that? Tobacco and cotton. Then Cuba, I already said that where it is Cuba, this is near the West Indies, alva. So Cuba, it is famous for sugar, so that it is called sugar bowl in the what is that, sugar bowl antane karitare idakke alva. Then another thing is, children, wheat basket of the world. What is that? In the central plain, where there is a dry land is there. So nearby they are cultivating the wheat. Okay, so they are producing the wheat inside the countries and exporting to all other countries, so that it is called wheat basket of the world. So and another thing is they are saying this crops region they have given, children. What is that? Crops region they have given. What are the regions are there? For example, crop belt, corn belt, cotton belt, tobacco belt, and wheat belt. So like that belts, they have given the crops region. Understood what I'm telling? So apart from that, what happened? Yes, maize, wheat, it is the staple food. Wheat and the maize, it is the staple food of American people. Okay, almost 75% of the people also engaged in the agricultural. Only 10% land they are having, but also they are all depending the agriculture also. So they are growing the crops, cotton, sugarcane, and they are producing the wine also. What is that? In nearby the Canada, so they were producing the wine from the grapes, because grapes, it is there in the America. Okay, so they are the highly producer of wine also, tobacco, cotton, sugar, then wheat. So these are all exporting to other countries also. Okay, Colombia, Colorado, sorry, what is that? Canada. What is Canada? Mexico, they are producing gold as well as tobacco and the this one. What is that? Yeah, USA and Mexico, tobacco and cotton. What is that? Tobacco. The Mexican country there. So this Mexican country, they are producing, they are growing the cotton and the tobacco. So they were the second highest producer. Means after the China, they are the second highest producer of tobacco and cotton all over the world. Okay. Then Cuba, it is a highest producer of sugar. Okay. So here, sugar bowl of the world antane karitare Cuba ke. Okay. Then another thing is which type of the wine country in the North America, especially California. Here it will come. So elli baratte idralli nodi California. Okay. So nearby the Washington ಎಲ್ಲ ಬರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಈ ಕ್ಯಾಲಿಫೋರ್ನಿಯಾ, ಸೊ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ they are producing wine. Okay, ಕ್ಯಾಲಿಫೋರ್ನಿಯಾದಲ್ಲಿ ವೈನ್ ಅನ್ನ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಗ್ರೇಪ್ಸ್ ಇಂದ ರೆಡಿ ಮಾಡಿ ಆ ವೈನ್ ಅನ್ನ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಆ ವೈನ್ ಅನ್ನ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಅದರ್ ಕಂಟ್ರೀಸ್ ದೇ ಆರ್ exporting. Okay, so after that wheat, maize, and so many pulses, cereals, and fruits like orange, grapes, these are all they are growing, they are cultivating in their land. Then oats, that husks they are giving to the cow or the what do you call that, cow. Yeah, cow ಅಂದ್ರೆ ದನಗಳಿಗೆ ಹುಲ್ಲುಗಳನ್ನ ಹಾಕ್ತಾರೆ. ಏನ್ ಹುಲ್ಲುಗಳು? ಗೋಧಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ಈ ಜೋಳದ ತೆನೆಗಳನ್ನ ಹಾಕ್ತಾರೆ, ನಮ್ ಕಡೆನೂ ಹಾಕ್ತಾರೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಸೊ ಲೈಕ್ ದಟ್. ದೆನ್ ಓಟ್ಸ್, ದೇ ಆರ್ ಪ್ರಿಪೇರಿಂಗ್ ದ ಬೀರ್. ಓಕೆ, ಬೀರ್ ಅಂತ ಏನು ನಾವು ವೈನ್ ತರನೇ ಬೀರ್ ಅಂತ ಕುಡಿತಾರಲ್ವಾ, ಸೊ ಆ ಬೀರ್ ಅನ್ನ ಏನ್ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಓಟ್ಸ್ ಇಂದ ಅದನ್ನ ರೆಡಿ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ದ ಓಟ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ. ಓಕೆ, ಮೇಸ್, ಓಟ್ಸ್. ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಕಾಲಿಂಗ್ ದ ಮೇಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ಮೇಸ್ ಗೆ ಏನ್ ಕರೀತಾರೆ, ದೇ ಆರ್ ಕಾಲಿಂಗ್ ಕಾರ್ನ್. ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದಟ್? Corn. Okay, so American people, they have called the maize, it is corn. Okay, next one is, children, potato they are growing, especially the region of Greenland. Okay, Greenland ali ikkada southern part, so many people they are growing the potato. So the Greenland also, it is a producer of the potato. Then almost here the nearby the Mexico, Canada, and the USA, they are producing the potato. Then they are giving to other countries also. Okay, then so many industries are there in the North America. Which are the industries they are getting? For example, gold. Already Mexico, it is producing, highly producing the gold, so that they are having the lots of industries also is there. They are manufacturing the gold designs, varieties of the designs they are for example, rings or earrings or necklace, chain, bracelet, whatever the types, so many shapes are there, yes or not? So many designs are there. So that manufacture, they have to manufacture it, isn't it or not? So that manufacturing industries are there. So many technological industries are there. Cement and iron ore industries are there. Iron and steel industries are there. Paper industries means pulp they are taking from the bamboo or any other types of the trees. Pulp they are taking and they are producing the paper, so that they are having the paper industries. Then wine. Then there is a two fishing grounds are there. One is George. What is that? One is George. It is called George. Okay. Then another one is Grand Banks. What is that? Grand Banks and the George Banks. These two were the fisher grounds of the North America. Then gold, iron ore, ಮತ್ತೆ ಇನ್ನೇನು coal, steel, copper, nickel and silver, zinc, lead. These are all the minerals they are getting through the Canadian shield, where there is a Canadian shield. Where it is Canadian shield, I already said that this zone it is called Canadian shield, isn't it or not? And somewhere they are getting in between the Rocky Mountain and the central lowland. Okay, so they are getting. Apart from that, here the Appalachian Hills side they are getting, and Columbia Plateau, Mexican Plateau places, they are getting the minerals like gold, iron, copper, nickel, like that minerals. Okay, so that whatever they are getting the minerals, there is a mining activities is going on. So mining activities and so many mining manufacturing country means that minerals ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದ ಮೇಲೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಮ್ಯಾನುಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಚರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಏನ್ ಬೇಕು? ಮ್ಯಾನುಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಚರಿಂಗ್ technologies or the industries they are having. So many large scale and the small scale industries America it is having, children. Okay, and what type of the populations, which type of the populations they are living in the North America? First of all, I already said that Native Americans, those who are the tribal people, they are living. Apart from that, who are living in this population, Mexico and the Central Asia. I already said that. What is that? In the eastern coastal plain, we can see the population. Almost European people, they were settled in Cuba, then USA, then West Indies, then California, Colombia, and Mexico. So these are all the places, USA, Canada, these are all almost we can see the inhabited Europeans only. Andre bari European peoples ella kade almost agi settle agidare. Matte American tribal peoples andre native people modalinda hutti beladanta people galu ondistu jana alli idare. Okay, they are speaking highly in American English. Okay, they are speaking the language American English. Apart from that, those who are the Indians, they were settled in the America, they are called indigenous, and they are speaking English and the Spanish languages, and we can see the French and the American languages also. We can see that, children. Almost 98% of the people they are living in the American city, USA, California, then what else are there? Mexico, Cuba, these are all the country we can see the andre urban area. This is called like city or urban area. So we can see that 98% they are living in the city, means urban area they are living, and another 2% people they are living in the like ಟ್ರೈಬಲ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹಳ್ಳಿಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ವಾಸ ಮಾಡುವಂತವರು ಟ್ರೈಬಲ್ ಪೀಪಲ್ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ that was a conditions, especially in the Caribbean island. We can see that dense where it is Caribbean, this is the Caribbean, yes or not? So nearby the Caribbean island we can see the dense types of the population. Why? Because here they are getting the forest also, as well as there is a ship means a Panama Canal is there. So because of the business purpose they were settled here, lot of the people. Okay, lots of the people settlement we can see that, children. Apart from that, almost northern part is empty. I already said that northern part of the Greenland, then here Arctic Circle, where there is Arctic Circle and the Alaska ranges and the Rocky Mountain, there is a very less or the sparsely populated, almost illa antane helbodu alli human settlement. So like that they were settled. Then population, these people they were speaking sorry, they are speaking Spanish, French, and English, American English they are speaking, and so many Indians also they were settled in North America. Okay, children. So, do you have any doubt in this lesson? Yes. Do you have any doubt so far? Akshata, do you have any doubt? Sandesh, do you have any doubt, children?
No, Mataji. Mataji.
No doubt, Maji.
No, Mataji.
Sandesh and Anirudh.
Mataji. Mataji.
No, Mataji.
Mataji, I joined the class.
Okay. What type of the climatical conditions North America is having? Like this North America part, what type of the climatical condition it is having?
Snow climate.
No, yes, tundra region, so that it is always, it is frozen land, alva. So cold types of the climatical condition it is having. And in the southern part of the America, what type of the climatical condition it is having?
Humid.
No. South part. Hot. Why? Because nearby there is a desert. And the eastern coastal plains of the North America, it is having a humid times. Andre daytime it is warm and night time it is cold. Adಕ್ಕೆ ಏನ್ ಕರೀತಾರೆ humid. Okay. Then what else are there? In the central plains, what we can see? Temperate or the tropical climatical condition because of the latitudinal length. Yes or not? Apart from that, what type of the vegetations we can see? What are the vegetations we can see in this region, America?
Tundra vegetation, taiga vegetation, grassland vegetation,
and
Mediterranean vegetation, temperature,
and highlands.
Yes. What type of that? Vegetations, tundra, taiga, deciduous, grassland, Mediterranean and mixed forest. Alva? So, which type of the animals they are living in this? Polar bear? Yes.
Silver fox. Silver fox. Black bear.
Black
silver fox. Polar fox.
Muskrat, porcupine, these are all the animals found in
Bear. Beaver.
especially polar bear. It is in the north, andre taiga region and the Arctic Circle region. We can see that. Okay, so that is the animals. Okay, which type of the crops they are growing?
Also in black color also.
Yes.
Oats,
What?
cotton, tobacco, wheat, sugar, potato,
orange grapes, sweet, nice.
sugar cane.
Good. What type of the minerals we are? Akshata, tell me the answer. What type of the minerals we are getting? Ananya, Sudhatri, Amog T. Naik. Tell me the answer. Join Agilla. Amog join Agilla. Yes. What type of the Kriti? Tell me the answer. What type of the minerals America we are getting?
Mexico gold.
Mexico gold. Then iron, zinc, lead, copper, nickel. Okay, so this type of the minerals we are getting. Okay, Akshata, are you there? Akshata. Bharati, tell me the answer. In which place we can see the Mississippi Missouri River? Bharati, Amrita, Vibha, Vibha. Yeah, Amrita.
Machi question.
Which region we can see the Mississippi Missouri River? Central lowland. Where it is? Central plain or central lowland? Yes.
Plains.
Do you have any doubt?
No.
No,
Mataji.
No doubt.
No, Mataji.
Everybody have
Mataji.
yesterday what I have done homework?
Mataji.
Huh?
To draw map and locate.
Yes, map and location we have given, Alva. So please read the textbook, children. CP Tanmay. CP Tanmay. Sumay.
Mataji, 117 ಪೇಜ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮ್ಯಾಪ್ ಉಂಟಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಗ್ರಾಸ್ ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ಸ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಹಿಲ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ನೇಮೇ ಇಲ್ಲ ಮಾತಾಜಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ
117 ಅಲ್ಲ
ಹಾ ಮಾತಾಜಿ ನೀವು ಲೊಕೇಟ್ ಹಿಲ್ಸ್ ಅದು ಸುಮಾರು ಹಿಲ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ
Gautami, vegetations you will have the page number 125. Grasslands ಅಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತೋರಿಸ್ತಾರೆ. Page number 125 you will get it. ಆದ್ರೆ ನಾನು grasslands ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ. ಓನ್ಲಿ ಮಿಸ್ಸೂರಿ ಮಿಸಿಸಿಪ್ಪಿ ರಿವರ್ ಐಡೆಂಟಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಅದ್ರ ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಇನ್ನೇನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ? ಡಿವಿಷನ್ಸ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಇರೋದು.
ಓಕೆ ಮಾತಾಜಿ.
Okay,
Mataji.
Yesterday, what I have shown in the climatical conditions, ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅದು hurricane, where there is a central plain and the coastal zone, there is a hurricane and the tornado. Sometimes it will occur. Yes or not? Any doubt?
No.
No.
No, Mataji.
No, Mataji.
No doubt, Mataji. Mataji.
1 minute. Anybody have? Anirudh, what you have doubt?
No doubt, Mataji.
No doubt. Okay. Sandesh, any doubt?
No, Mataji.
Satvik, doubt is there?
No, Mataji.
Brahmarambika, Vibha, doubt? ಏನಾದ್ರೂ ಡೌಟ್ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಅಭಿಷೇಕ್ ಒಡೆಯರ್, is there any doubt? Did you understand the lesson, children?
Yes, Mataji.
Yes.
Yes, Mataji.
Yes, Mataji.
Yes, Mataji. Yes, Mataji. Yes, Mataji. Yes, Mataji.
Chintan M, doubt is there? Chintan M, no doubt? Chintan, doubt किया? Himanshu, doubt is there?
No doubts, Mataji.
Okay. So please go through the lesson, children. Please go through the lesson, read well and underline important things. Okay. After that, try to solve question answers in your textbook only. And all the map what they have given in your textbook. Please go through that, children. Once you have to learn. Okay. Draw ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಲ್ಲ, but ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ್ದು ಎಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲಿದೆ, ಯಾವ river ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ, vegetations ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ. So please go through that textbook. Okay. I will send you question answers tomorrow. Okay?
Mataji. Mataji.
Okay,
Mataji.
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 Naveen, one minute. Naveen. What do you have
Mataji,
done?
highlighter. Mataji, book ಅಲ್ಲಿ highlighter pens use ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದ ಮಾತಾಜಿ?
ಬೇಡ
ಅಲ್ಲ ಮಾತಾಜಿ.
Only pencil. Only pencil. Okay, Sumay?
No.
Don't use highlighter. only use pencil and underline where is the important things.
Yes, Mataji.
Yes, Mataji.
Okay. I think nobody, you are having the doubts. Shall we end the class? Okay, next class you will get the problem otherwise.
Mataji.
Shall we end?
Mataji.
Okay,
Bye,
Mataji.
Mataji.
Bye, Mataji.
Okay, Mataji.
Bye, Mataji.
Bye, Mataji.
Bye, Mataji.
ಮುಗಿತಾ?
Those who
Bye, Mataji.
please go through the recorded video. Is it clear?
Mataji. Okay, Mataji.
Yes, Mataji.
Thank you, children.
Thank you, Mataji.